everyone, for today we will gonna show you how does Charlie's Law work by presenting our experiment, but before that, we should first know what does Charlie's Law means.
Charge law. Charge law states that the temperature is directly proportional to volume while having the constant of pressure and moles.
When we say directly proportional, it is the relationship between temperature and volume. It is when the volume is also high, and when the temperature is low, the volume is also low.
So today, in our experiment, we will gonna show you how really charge law work by using balloons, hot water, and cold water. It is dangerous, so we should be careful when doing this experiment.
A few moments later.
To do this experiment, we will put the hot and cold water into a basin, and we will put the balloon to see the results of this. It may take minutes before you see the results, and after a minute you can see the difference in before and after we put it in the hot and cold water.
2,000 years later.
If we compare those two, the balloon we put in the hot water inflated. Dahil sa hot air na pumapasok at malakas ang energy na naipasok nito sa balloon, kaya naman ang mga gas sa balloon ay nagkakagulo. That's why the balloon inflated, while the balloon in the cold water deflated because of cool air. Cool air hasn't got as much energy, so it shrinks. That's why the balloon deflated.